Hello guys. Um, I want to share with you a little bit of myself about competitive programming and C++. So I am a professional backend Node.js developer. I work with JavaScript um, most of the time, so I don't really know much about a lot of different languages. I know a little bit of PHP, and I know I've worked about 3 years with PHP. And now I'm just working with Node.js as a backend developer. Um, okay, so I'm here at Codeforce's website, which is a competitive programming website. So and I want to share with you how I find the easiest problems to solve first. Remembering my goal is to solve 300 problems by the end of 2021, and I want to record myself trying to solve those problems. I don't know much about competitive programming. I know just a little bit, just the basics, and that's what I'm sharing with you. How a novice or a beginner competitive programming solves those problems and learns from those problems. I know very little about C++, just to read some inputs and outputs, and just the basics. And as I go, I will be learning C++ and how to solve those problems, how to get better at reading the problem statement, the description, and all of that. So I'll show you how to find the easiest problems first. So when you create your account here in the Codeforces website, you go to problem set, you click here, and then here, this number is how difficult is the problem. The higher the number, the more difficult the problem is. Here is the amount of people who solved this problem. So obviously I will not get started solving this problem because it's way too hard for me, I guess. Because it has binary search, and this I don't really know much about it yet, but I will learn for sure. So you click here to sort. Click once, then you will find the hardest problem. As you can see, this problem here, only 19 people have solved it. And you click again here, and then you find the easiest problems. So as you can see, I already have started, and I have 2 videos uploaded. So the watermelon, when I solved the watermelon problem, and the way too long words problem. So I have another problems that I've solved previously, but these problems I solved them about 6 to 7 months ago or so. So I'm just going to solve one by one, so from top to bottom, until I solve 300 problems. I am aiming to solve one problem every day to practice and learn. So that's how I find the easiest problems and how I will improve myself as a competitive programmer. And by the end of the year of 2021, I want to be able to get a top 10 at the division 3 or 2. Those divisions are for mostly beginners and intermediate competitive programmers. So I'll try to get top 10. I don't know if that is possible because it's really, I don't know how difficult it is to get top 10, because there are many really awesome programmers out there. So I'm just gonna be able to try, and my aim is to get there. If it's not possible in 1 year and solving at least 300 problems, that will be not possible. I will continue to increase the number of problems that I solve and how I learn it. So eventually I will be able to get a top 10 at least. That's a goal. And I think it's about 1 year for me to be able to get there, but I'm not sure how long that will take. But I know it is possible if I continue and put this as a routine. So routine is all, guys. When you put something in your routine, it's hard for you to get out of that. And it will become a second nature, so it will be nice. Okay, so this is how to find easier problems. Here is my GitHub account, and I'm saving my problems here. As you can see, I've solved some problems about 9 months ago, so 9 to 7 months ago. And now I get started again. So as you can see, I solved the first two problems already. I'm putting a hash at the beginnings to be able to count those problems. I created a problem counter file JS here. So when I run, it generates a file with the problems that I've solved, which is generate this file here. Problem solved counter, problems to be solved 300, problem solved 2, and the percentage solved. I didn't bother cutting this number down, so I just don't really care much about it. And that's it. That's my full name, as you can see. And this is the book that I'm reading. So I know that I can pick up some nice insights with this book, and it will help me out on my journey. So yeah, that are basic techniques and all of that. So it will help me a lot, I think. And that's it, guys. That's the purpose of these videos. So feel free to comment below, and if my audio is not really nice or the camera is not good or you cannot see it properly, some things that I'm doing, just comment below, and I hope you enjoy at least, because I'm really a beginner at this topic of competitive programmer, but I will improve for sure. So thank you for everything, for your support. If you will help me out with that, if you can give me some tips or some resources that I can study to improve myself, that will be welcome, and every feedback is also nice. And have a nice day, guys. That's it. Thank you.